Whether you're a seasoned automotive professional or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, BendPak's line of premium car lifts elevate your shop to a whole new level. For over 65 years, BendPak takes pride in our superior craftsmanship because we know you take pride in yours. BendPak 4-post lifts will easily accommodate any vehicle that you need to raise. If you're looking for a car storage lift that doubles as a service lift, a 4-post lift by BendPak may be the last lift you ever need. Our rugged 2-post lifts are designed to handle all of your auto lifting applications. With a wide range of lifting capacities and specialized model variations, there is something for everyone. For more information on the best auto lifts, wheel service, and shop equipment, check out BendPak.com.